Okay students, let us try to solve this question. Nitrogen laser produces a radiation at a wavelength of 337.1 nanometer. If the number of photons emitted is 5.6 into 10 to the power of 24. So let us write here 10 to the power of 24. Calculate the power of this laser. Okay, it says you need to calculate the power of the laser, means you need to find out the energy required. Okay, so for this you see that the formula which we will be using will be emitted laser energy E will be nothing but NhC by lambda. This is the formula which we are going to use, referred to as power of the laser. Okay, now here your N is given to you in the question as number of photons. Okay, and that number of photons is nothing but 5.6 into 10 to the power of 24, and H is Planck's constant having value 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second. C, we know that speed of light 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. And yes, one more thing given to you here is the wavelength, that is 337.1 nanometer. Wavelength is represented as lambda, which is given to you as 337.1 nanometer, which can be written as 337.1 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meters, since we are knowing 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. Okay, so with these things given to us, let us try to find out the power of the laser by putting these all values in the given formula to you, right? So now here E would be then N capital, that is number of photons, is given to you as 5.6 into 10 to the power of 24. Then H is 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second, into C is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, fine, divided by lambda you are having 337.1 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. Okay, we just need to solve this now. So E then would be, just try to multiply 5.6 into 6.626 into 3. Okay, and when you multiply all that 3, you will be getting 111.3168. and then let us try to solve the powers of 10. So you have 10 to the power of 24, then you need to add all the powers of 10. So you see that when you add minus 34, it can be written as 24 minus 34 plus 8, and then in the division you are having 337.1 into 10 to the power of minus 9. So when you divide 111.316 by 337, you will get 0.3302 into, when you solve for this, you will see that you are having in front of 24 plus, so 24 plus 8, when you do, you will get 32, and that 32 minus 34 will give you 10 to the power of minus 2. And yes, in the denominator you are left over with 10 to the power of minus 9. So when you get that in the numerator, it becomes 10 to the power of minus 2 plus 9. So the answer here you will get is 0.3302 into 10 to the power of 7. Now if you talk about the units, you see that meter will be getting cancelled off, per second will be getting cancelled off, so the unit here would be left over with joules. Now this decimal point also can be shifted towards right, and final answer can be written as 3.302 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. is because we have shifted only one digit. So this is how the numerical has to be done of this type, and I hope you have understood. It was one of the easiest numerical. You can refer it. Thank you all.